na saa $3 billion enye so mo tam ni nyina de abrayen ne mo ebe sope na mo de mra ne nhye atato si etimi disua na afi mo de sika na brebre ya de dikan edikan abadeda na de etosomienu so no aba ne etosomiensa na ntete abatosom perfect nsentwe for proso kire se ye be $360 million ya enkomo a Ghana ba ne IMF mpanimfo edie no ye ntete ne se abro so a busumi nkwawie ye de na sa sika $360 million no na IMF mpanimfo ede ebro mayi na ye de awura isikasem apeja isikasem managina brane opani ohwani amansa de nkomo ema eye IMF adwuma no na echeche nsem we mu ede ekire yen.
On April 13th, the IMF's and the Ghanaian authorities reached staff-level agreement on economic policies and reforms for the second review of the program. Our aim is to bring the review to the IMF's executive board for approval before the end of June. This would give Ghana access to $360 million in financing, bringing the total to about $1.6 billion in disbursements since May of 2023. The authorities' strong policy and reform efforts under the 3-year program are bearing fruit, and signs of economic stabilization are emerging. So, for example, growth in 2023 was higher than we had initially envisaged. The authorities are also making good progress on their comprehensive debt restructuring. The domestic debt exchange was completed last year, and in January 2024, the government reached an agreement in principle with its official bilateral creditors. Ghana is also engaging its external private creditors to seek their support. Looking ahead, steadfast policy and reform implementation will be crucial to fully and durably restore macroeconomic stability and debt sustainability in Ghana. The government has committed to continue implementing the program as envisaged to ensure sustainable growth and
observe nti we ayoba penny ohwani amansan de nkomoma IMF adwuma no na ochechire mu de nti a IMF mpanimfo transe keka ne emasi ani no omo agiatum sebosumi enkwawie de na sikara de tosomi ensa no mo ede ebro mayi be $360 million ya amanfo krani da kwanse sika we no a eba no ebeboa ema asesidi na hoode no a eye afiri mu ama dollar no eye nya hoode pedi a chen no ebeboa nem ama nema gina ye to so na ye de mo akonsem fufrum entity abatosom perfect nsantwe fa proso chese adwumayefo a wodo mo aye adwuma National Identification Authority abziafo se de mo kasei wo mo ade mo kukuro mo kaka nyina gufom a wo mo etifie sisi sembe ka hye nso a nanka eye match bosumi no mo na nanka nim senka adwumayefo edu mo kukuro mo kaka nyina gufom ni nyina eye kwasibru ni kan so mo condition of service ya na omo ene fe wages and salaries commission impedimfo ede unkomo ema chese atreye hwisi kasam no ntutu yeso mu nyina eba ba mu ni adeade a na mo fi se nkomo na omo edi no na edu baabi no na aban ho keka aban etwetwe ne na ase ewo ho anu nti na ma match bosumi no omo eye omo adwene se nkomo do bibi a egufom no makwa akotena fie na omo tu sa na mo no a na atena ya ehwe apadie ni adwuma ye ho nsensem mekire Minister for Employment and Labor Relations etutu America koye ene adwumayefo no kusia edi nkomo pino a epa wonu mu chawsere wonum se de wo saban ye bia no ene ne kire ye wo beginam no ahwa ma ba tu sa na mo no se beyo na omodwumedi omudi no ombetokoso a na bomo edie eno ena antentam a abusafo se ene mo kasa ena no pay fi anura eba no a ena National Identification Authority impedimfo ana se omodwumayefo ede krata ababonten se enkomo no omoni abai edie no omo ehu aban ene brebia e san nkomo no ho ena abai okeka so wo fom ena omukọ bia asa aban de ene echina ontomobo ebeba ene chese ho nkomo no enhyeda mo wo mu papa bia no ena ama omo etusa na mo we ya ene ekọ nyina adwumayefo mo ye adwuma o National Identification Authority omo ede omo nkuku no omo nkaka egu eye efom ye to aso ne de man komampani dada eye John Dramani Mahama natena ye what the boss e kode ama ye nananum afarefo no se so don for ye adom ama Ghana for asaso anya ne mogidie bi odetumi ama ne se mampani a ade obeye pa eye nuanum afarefo no obeboa wunum ama kane no a no mo konsuo so a omo eyi nam yimpata yi chese pala num bebrebe no ebusafo mo nsa aso atimi akabio o de sansam to dwawa bra na no memenda wo bo apro e wotema ene afarefo no akwakodi nkomo no wo chese ene watese so omo premise wo no omo to ento ne nyina ye ne bo a akosuru ntia wo se ono bo se de wo so ye bia se mampani ema ne ma bafom omo konsuo no sokro munya nam bebrebe ebeto nya sika gu omo butom no obeye e de ama wuru mododo
have to provide vessels for the Navy to be able to patrol our waters and make sure that these fishing trawlers don't come within the exclusive zone. And so we would provide the Navy with ships so that they can patrol and make sure that the exclusive zone where the trawlers are not supposed to come, they don't come there. We are going to employ young people who live in all the fishing communities along the beach. And we will pay them to clean the beaches every day so that there will be no plastic.
Abzanfonti we ayamampani dada John Dramani Mahama ena yete no nkaini na na probo o tema bonten so na odesansemi etudwa yento aso ne enfom nkokro bia sante kotoko hene apem so se tutu otosumi no danso a wodanso abakosem a woye no enrada wonkra pompene mantemu na de dikan a otumfo anasa sante hene etu anamo akosra gama nche no yasimfie be dioso mu ani be 70 years ni na ne enra otumfo se tutu otosumi no ye no ebi ekukusi yenti sana montu no na bakosem sronko a na krobia sante kotoko hene na woye no enra ewo enkrapumpune mantemu na namontuo no mu no na krobia sante kotoko hene dia tudwa se emua bia ye wo se odeboa gamanche ema na desia ewo enkrapumpune mantemu omutimi enya ngumasua papa ekomanimu abrabom no krobia sante kotoko hene asene boso de bema no ene se enei which be 500,000 Ghana cedis connected to no 5 billion se gamanche se our education fund ya wono mo enfantum na enkwala wo mutidi bua wunum na nso efie ni bie no omo enfanso so masinimo ene se oni education fund ne bia enei wode 500,000 Ghana cedis 5 billion no ma no se onfanhye biase se bie na nkwada omo ewonkrapompre mantemu ene gamanche ne nsase so no omo ebitimi akọ omo nim ewo ngumasuam ba for kentenkrechi otumfo chiame ena edisansemi tuja
oye sebe nina e ba ko eti no ba yi e ka ni sika no billion enum 5 billion ala euro oye bo àwọn de so na so de ko fa do na aba fo ni dara e to fa bi tu e ma sebe e ti ma no bi le bi e mo ma sebe di so e bo so to ho se o se na me ma o se na ma so ko ni na de ma ko na me o sha that's the mind and then go so when so they will Sompa so they will transfer or you be and you that and see all the other stuff so they go to the I don't see
Abzanfonti we kentenkrechi tufo chiame na ochechim de achire edomo a na etwehia ohonum nti 5 billion 500,000 Ghana cedis and akrobia sante kotoko hene de ema gamanche se education fund se bi ni honum a omo emfanhye biase ene se bi ohoso so a omo emfantum na nkwala na omo eti ediboa wunum na nso omo eni aboafo no omo ede aboa wunum yeto aso lawyer Martin Pebudi atugya se yera ato forcing ene Richard Jackson nsem na ekoso wo court no officer na no otemafo tra asem no so ebua asem no fa bi no wona ne ya adwena enyeye enti obesre se ato forcing na lawyer for ne Richard Jackson lawyer for no wo mo ntebiri asem no mo emfanko da my Ghana court bata Supreme Court na Supreme Court mpenimfo mbrem na mo ema ba asem no mo emfisi mu ne dwemu ma ba mu ntesem ento no mo nsani asem no foforo ene sema na kaya yɛsɛ nkɔmmɔ bi kɔ so kokoam ɛwɔ ɛyɛ attorney general lawyer Godfrey Ebo Adame ne Richard Jakwantem ɛma mo de kokoto court no nim na mo de kokoto court no nim saa no entity a kyerɛ sɛ na nka wɔsɛ nka judge wodi asɛm no ɛma kwan ma lawyer fo a wɔn gyirem de ama afane nyina bo no mu nkro nanso judge no anyɛ ne saa danse na mo de ba yɛ no a ɛna utie ye gyina so a wɔde ebu asɛm no sɛ sɛbi ne no ɛne nneɛma ɛwɔ ne nim ne nkɔmmɔ no mu nyina no onhu ɛyɛ bɔne ne mfomso bi a ɛwɔ so ɛno na lawyer Martin Pebu kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ otemafo no kyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ mfomso tie bɛyɛ a lawyer fo no ntɛbiri asɛm no mfa nkɔ Supreme Court no mo eni asɛm no foforo.
One, you find the Attorney General telling the so I'm calling him witness, meanwhile he's third accused, of course witness because he's in the box, telling the third accused to answer in a certain way the Attorney General wants him to answer when that's Japa, is not comfortable with what the Attorney General wants him to say. What is that? He says you want, so Japa, you play that side, can we get that specific side, saying that, oh, you mean you want me to answer your way? Then Dami hesitated a bit and yet said yes. Okay, let's take it that way. It ended up with a yes. That is the kernel of the matter. The judge didn't refer to it. So I'm like, maybe the pressure, because to give 2 days for such a weighty ruling, for me, it was too short. So there were bound to be mistakes. I knew it. I was like, no, listen, 2 days, are you sure? Because it's too much. And you know, in the process, what we are not discussing, what viewers don't understand so far is that there was a great travesty of justice. The judge did a lot of injustice to the accused person. Justice to them. The ruling itself, I won't be surprised. They actually will have to go and challenge it. She did something fundamentally wrong. It was so wrong that I was like, why? Where is she in a hurry to go? When you put stuff before a court, this is my application, okay? I want you to do stay of proceedings. What you put in there, usually we don't put law in the affidavit. No, usually except some exceptions. So generally we don't. So the arguments of the lawyers are not in what she took. So you come to court and then you do the arguments. So based on the affidavit, you say, okay, I said we met here and here. He tried to coerce me or whatever to answer in this way. So after saying that, then he say, to persuade my lord or my lady, I have the following cases. So then that's when, and then law. So that's when the real meat of the matter is done. I just didn't allow it. I know where she was rushing to. She didn't allow it. That's so fundamental. So everything about this ruling, no. We haven't heard. That's not the best.
Observe nti we ye lawyer Martin Pebu na yete ne nkeya na ochechi nsimum de ekyere no na Ghana Police Service impedimfo de atoga sensem bia Yera Johnson esedu nkete o ye national chairman aka de afa wonumo eho no kra bia nim ya ewose yesoso so obeka hye ne nso beto dwasa posifo akyere NDC ne ogina de ama NDC amanyoku no ewa wutu senya East Abaton peso so ma me na akoyo wonumo echi ne fiada no edibesi na memene da be wia anwumre mu honomo na ebitu dwase aposifo eja no na chi a omo kire no na national chairman de Mendy Amanjoku Yera Johnson esedu nkete kasade afa ho no na o kire se won de office eyensa bia na ewo wie mu a eso cha aposifo no na wo ya aposifo no sa na omo kura no ba mu a omo ko police station no cantonment police station ko busa aposifo no mpedifo se de abone na wono de hye na akoyo no aye nu nti no wo ba ha se mo kye no no a kese bunya pani bia no aka se bia kire na omo nyina do omo nsa na no mo kire ho saa ntom fi se order from above bi na ya policefo no se chinchina munchie ewura no a omo soso omo ekire no na no na Ghana Police Service mpedifo de aba betu gase enya sa na asem no etie ewura no de mo gira so omo de kire no se no cross ni tu a ekuta no wa license de na so etuo no a okuta ho license no enyo ono na ekuta no wo de ama nipa foforo a wono no edi jujuma nti eba sa no a na wato emra no na nam so ema omo kire nyese bia obi ene hye omo police fo no se chinchina na akoyo a ogina de Mendy Amanjoku no wutu senya East Abaton peso ya so omo enko kire no na omo mantam no a emfiri eye efiada no mfa emisi emeneda na nopa ewiem hono mansana wono mo eja no se mo kase aposifo ekyeresa asem no wo mo atabiri e de akwakoma attorney general mpanimfo se omo nsomwe na omo enhwe nkratanim na omo ntu aposifo fo anamo a wo se omutu ewo saa ensemi ho abusiafo ye hye mo bosa asem wei ye ni edi ekyire de befra to bia no yemfa enkamemo yare kase na ekwakowie ewo maame Matilda Emisa Ata Ghana yema mperi abedi ekyire pa kwasi Emisa Ata onye ne baabi ekro ne ho kani ne twotwomutwa na one ne da bom sorry bom didi bom dware bom ye bibia ebom no na maame Matilda Emisa Ata ne betodwa se ne fie amrobes kotoshe ne so anadwobia se yenyankopon ene fa kwamu a enkomanyi enkiankwa nkote asempapa na maame Matilda Emisa Ata mre si foforo no so bi e kan de e na ne fie honom aposifo ni ho asogafo mo no ho ban ana ono nko na wo fie honom oni obia woni no e wo fie honom ana na maame Matilda Emisa Ata akwakodi adanse e wa so dem na danse na odie no e na o chechim de koso pa sa dena na jo e wo fie ho.
So I sleep with my lights off, but the least thing can wake me up. So I found my lights were on. I woke up to go off my lights, and there was a figure, all black with just the eyes, with a gun that said, "Don't move. You move and I'll shoot you." In fact, I thought that I was dreaming. So I sat on my bed, rubbed my face, just to be sure that I wasn't dreaming. And there he was standing there. He says, "If you shout and somebody comes, I'll kill them and kill you." So I'm sitting on my bed. He says, "Give me your money." You know, this devil, I keep saying that the devil is smart. We were renovating my mother's house. So my siblings had brought money. The money was with me. So quickly, I took the $2,200 and gave him. And I had €50 of my own, I gave him. Then I took my purse. Give the cities to him. And he says, he counts the money and says, "This small money is not enough. People's money that I've given you, you say it's not enough." So I said, "This is all the money I have." Then he says, "Gold jewelry." And I said, "I don't do gold jewelry if you know me. I don't do gold jewelry." Then I remember that I had a gold watch. I gave it to him. I gave a gold earring and a gold necklace. Then he got upset. Turned my room upside down. Of course, they find money, they find any jewelry. And then he started, he wasted my time, so I'll kill you. And that's, I want to call my boss. Whether he called his boss or not, I don't know. By this time, he had dragged me from the bed and put me on the ground, hitting my head on the floor. He spoke on the phone for a couple of minutes and said, "My boss says I should shoot you, but I won't shoot you. I will strangle you so that you die a slow death, and next time you come, you will have money."
Observe for into way maame Matilda Emisa Ata Ghana yema mpanin abedi echira wanya ne baby ekọ pa kwasi Emisa Ata ne ho kani eno no na ochechirem de ekoso pa woni fie honomo saa ebre no ye nyina we so na no pay ensamo ebabo ano de beso mo no yemfamo nsia na yen sorry ema man hini nsa so ntrase biomfa de ache bi adwumadie ento amo so no pay kukua ene chinchin fidie no ede emaame Calvin ene azuka ko ba jesi simpremo ana motabiri ye de ko TV ne so medin ede nana ya bo amale bia boga busia fa no pay so no ya sa so amache bia